Good morning, Sabres. Today's topic is how to post in a forum. And we got kind of a tricky one because we're also attaching a video to a forum. So it's a little bit different than normal. You'll notice I'm in my world history course here, and it should look the same to you guys if it is April 14th of 2020. So this week, we have a couple activities to do. Here were the directions for this week. And at the end, it asked you, once you're finished with the activity, you choose, go into the discussion board and post 4 times. And then it said, be sure to read all the directions before you post. So the discussion board is located right here. These are forums or discussion boards. They're the same thing. And it'll auto check this box when you've posted 4 times inside of the discussion board. So if you go into the discussion board, there's a series of the directions, and these are all the directions I am talking about. Okay, so want to read those in depth. I'm not going to read them to you on the video. And then down here, there are 3 discussions. I've posted Collective Learning Discussion 1, just Collective Learning Discussion 2, and an activity post. So when you're ready to post, and you get to pick this week on which one of these you post in, everybody has to post in this one, and then you pick on one of these. So let's say I pick Collective Learning Discussion 1, I go into there, and once I'm inside of it, I'm always the first person to post. So you'll see me, I posted this April 13th, and it says, explain collective learning and how you feel it has impacted the human race. Be sure to respond to one of your classmates. So to respond, you have to then click reply to me down in the corner here. Once you click reply, a box will pop up and you write your reply in here, and then you hit submit. And then that'll take care of that once you're done. Remember, a good initial post is 100 words, and a good second post to one of your peers is 50 words. And those are minimums. You can always go over. You don't want to go under for posting reasons. And then try to remember to be meaningful when you say things back. Explain what you're thinking, why you agree or why you disagree. So that's not the tricky part, though. Now, to post the video about your learning activities, so whichever one of these you choose to do, to post your video, you go back into the discussion board. And then that's down here where it says activity post. So same procedures, you go back into the post, you hit reply to me. But where do I put my video? Now I don't know where that goes, becomes the next question. So I could write my reply here, but I don't need to. I got to post a video. Right here in the corner, it says advanced right here, okay, down here in the corner. So I click on advanced, and it's going to give me a screen with more options. First of all, lots of times you can change the title of or the subject of your post, and we might say learning activity and put that in there. If I need to write something, I will write it in here. I'll say, watch my video, please, and comment. And then down here at the bottom, this screen will look familiar to you guys because you've used this before. You're going to have to click either on the arrow, or you can click up here, and then you can go and select in Google Drive wherever your video is, log into your account, and go get it. Okay? That should cover it. The video should show up in here once you've got it in there, and then you hit post to forum, and it will upload, and others will be able to see it and play it from there. Hopefully that clears up some of the issues. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments in the comment section, and don't forget to like my video.